Hello, kindergartners. So this is our Popplet tutorial. Now, Popplet is used to make thinking bubbles, when you start thinking of ideas, and you are going to use this to do your first assignment of All About Me, where you're going to tell me about yourself so that we can get to know each other as a class um, over line instead of just in the classroom. So you're going to sign up and have your parents help you sign up with one of these. It's very easy. Just type in an email, a password, agree, and then you can start. And so then once you sign in, you get to this page where I've already started an All About Me one, but I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So first, you are going to make a new Popplet. And so you click on the make a new Popplet. You're going to name yours. Let's name this All About Me. We'll go number 2. I'm recording. And then you are going to click a color that you want your background to be, and then you're going to say make it so. And so then you're going to come up to an all one color page, and this is going to be your Popplet. And this is where your Popplet is going to be created. So you are going up here on your screen under Popplet in your title. You have the zoom button that'll let you zoom in once you get and you start making more and more Popplet bubbles, which I will show you in a second how to make. And then these are all your devices. So under the wheel, you can do new Popple, which is a new bubble. You can save it. You can edit, which you can undo, copy, and paste here. You can organize it, organize all of your bubbles, do them horizontally, vertically, do the heights, but we're going to try and stay basic. So all you will need to worry about is the save, the edit, which is where you can undo your work, copy or paste, and you can add a new Popple. A Popple is the bubble that you are going to be using. So to create your first bubble, you double click and see now I have a bubble that has popped up, and it says my name on it to show that this is my bubble. And in the first bubble you can type, you can change the color, change it blue, pink, we'll just keep it black here. You can pick your font if you want it small, medium, or large. We'll stick with the large. You can just keep it centered. We'll keep it centered here, and then you can change you can draw on it like as such. Clear the drawing, and you can add images, YouTube videos, anything you want in just this one Popple or your bubble. So to begin, I'm just going to write my full name here, Natalie Colosimo. And you can expand your bubble like this by using the corners. You can rotate it. Well, these actually connect to other Popples. So you see how they stretch? I'll show you in a minute once I create, well, we have created one. So these lines allow you, if you click, you pull and drop, and a new Popple bubble will come up. And this is how you will create your thing. So I'm going to show you how to, so here let's add an image. If you would like to add an image of you or your family or your dog, you click on add an image from your computer. It's a third button, so click here. You go to your photos. If you have a Mac, if you have a PC, have your parents help you out. So let's just use, it's taking a minute. All right, so let's just go down here and we will add this one of me and my sister. So now it's uploading my image. So now I have a sister, and I can type under it where I can say This is my sister and I. And then that is that. And so that will stay. So now I can add this one. Let's make a drawing. Let's do blue and say I. All right. I love coffee. And you just do this with your mouse. Very easy. It's okay if it's a little messy. You can actually draw pictures if you would like. If you like to draw, that is perfectly fine. So then from here, actually, I'm going to go back to my sister one, and I'm going to make another popple. And so do you see where the zoom is? This is where you're going to start using the zoom when you start to get too close in to all of your popples. So to zoom closer, you go all the way in. To zoom out, it gets small. So you go like that. And now my popple is very small. So I'm going to go to about here where I can perfectly see everything. And if you just move around, click down and move your mouse at the same time, you are able to move your whole Popplet. So here I'm going to write about my sister and I'm going to change my font to the small so that you can see it all. And I'm going to say, I only have one sister. Her name is Maddie, and she is younger than me. We both go to Iowa State University together. Perfect. I'm going to expand that a little bit. There we go. Maybe move that over here just so I get that zoom out a little bit, and I'll do one more just to show you what I'm looking for. So then I'll go down here back to my name because I'm going back to who I am, and I'm not talking about my sister and I anymore. I'll go back down here and just drag this, and I want to insert, well, no, let's just say more about me. Let's write about me. So let's start a new category. What I like, or let's call it favorites. Okay, so now I'm going to make another one, and I'm going to move that one a little bit. There we go. And I'm going to say coffee. Coffee. I love coffee. I drink it every day. Okay, now let's add another favorite. Dogs. I like dogs, so I'm going to say dogs. I have a dog of my own. And so you get the gist of what we're going for. I want you to do at least 10 Popplet bubbles. I want you to tell me anything about yourself that you would like to share, your favorite color, your family, what you like to do, what you like to learn about, your favorite book, anything about yourself, just to let all of us know about you and who you are. So to save and share, you're going to go to save and click OK, and this will now save to your own account. And then to share this, you're going to share it with me and all of your classmates. You're going to go to share, and you're going to say you will add me and all of your friends, and click on Natalie and click make public. But don't save. Then I will search your name and find you, and then you will be done. So let me know if you have any questions. You know where to email me, reach me. Continue to watch this, maybe play around a little bit, and let me know all about you. All right, thanks guys.